Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, I'm working as a software delivery. So basically, today we are going to again talk about basically ban part. So basically, how basically one software company is telling that this particular person is banned, he is not supposed to get the job, and basically he is not supposed to get the job, and if he gets the job, then basically the that software company is going to suffer lots of things basically that says basically Indian software company. Basically, I'm not telling about talking about the entire Indian software company. There are few Indian software companies, but basically, how Indian company are so confident that if these countries are going to help, then they are going to suffer, and exactly that same things has happened basically. Exactly the same thing has happened. America basically, that guy basically has applied for America also for H1B visa, but there also basically he has not got the visa. He's not. He basically applied for many software companies like Accenture, Capgemini, Patani, Oracle. There basically he has not got the job. Then basically he applied for Microsoft. Basically these all are big companies, but basically at least he should get job in some company, basically normal base 100 200 base 100 200 employees company. At least that much job he should get basically. But he has not got the job basically. Reason was the Indian software companies and the Indian human resource, they have banned. They have banned basically. But I'm here again, I'm repeating the word. Entire Indian software company has not done the ban. Few groups has done the ban. So basically, here basically I was talking about the power supply, special power supply chain, basically which Indian power companies and Indian energy company have basically. They are supplying that, and they are telling that we are ruling the world. We are ruling each and every computers, each and every PC, each and every mobiles also we can say each and every, because mobile is equal to one small computer only we can say. Nowadays it's like that basically, because each and every work basically we can do in whatever works we can do in computer and laptop, that basically work we can do in mobile also, because computer is become mobile has become mini computer basically, that also we can say nowadays. So that also requires power supply basically. That is also getting power supply. So special power supply are basically getting supplied to that particular mobile basically. And mobile is also basically whole world mobiles are also, for example, there are 100 crore mobile in this world. So they are also getting control from set of computers only. It's not like that somebody some other special group and special things are controlling that mobiles basically. The mobiles are also getting control from set of computers only. So set of computers are connected with the mobile. It's basically some via basically, but everywhere computers are connected basically. You can. So now basically we are talking about few more other topics basically, that are basically season basically. Season basically you can say hot season, cold season, like this basically there are many seasons basically in this world. So basically if I say that each and every seasons are getting controlled from power companies and energy companies, then basically it would be this basically lots of basically people knows basically who are into software industry. They basically know that each and every seasons are getting is getting controlled by set of power companies and energy companies basically. This is basically by default. That is these all are the basically normal things basically nowadays. Each and every people knows basically that each and every power supply, each and every seasons are getting controlled from the set of power companies and set of energy companies basically. So here what basically is connected with this band basically. So nothing is connected with this band basically, but just I was telling that up to this level basically, uh, India have the power. and India is controlling lots of countries also, and India is passing the special power supply chain also. And basically, one country is controlled by more than 100 power supply companies and energy companies. Basically, if I tell this, then basically it's 100% correct. Basically, this number, basically, whatever I am telling, that can be less and more, but not too much less and too much more. Basically, so basically here, basically we are talking about the that person has been banned from the software companies, and software companies are telling that we have banned that person and we are not going to give the job, basically. So basically the big software companies like IBM, he basically has applied each and every software company. He has applied to the each and every cities like Pune. He has applied, Mumbai he has applied, Bangalore he has applied, Delhi also that person has applied, then Surat, Ahmedabad, each and then basically he went to the Dubai, he went to Oman, he went to he went to Abu Dhabi. There also basically the Indian software company, the people group who have banned him just for the ego of that particular groups. They have told that they have called that people that called Oman people that he is not supposed to get job. So basically wherever he was going for interview, there basically they were tracking. So like this, basically they were tracking wherever he was going for interview, and like this, basically they have tracked him, and he was not getting job. For example, he was going in Mumbai. So Mumbai, basically each and every software companies, most of software companies was connected with this group basically. So, for example, he has applied in Capgemini. He has applied in Accenture. Basically, he was working in Capgemini, but the situation was like that he was not able to enter. He was not able. He was not. He has not got entry in Capgemini. Even he told that he was an ex-employee of Capgemini. There also then also basically Capgemini has not allowed him to enter in the Capgemini software company. Then basically 3i Infotech he also has worked basically. There also basically he was not able to enter because of ban basically. So just see the how powerful these software companies are, how powerful this human resource, Indian human resource are. They are telling that we have banned means banned. We are not able to. We are not going to enter. We are not going to. We are not going to take him basically back in the software companies basically. So basically, it's basically you can say it's a ego of the certain groups. Basically, you can say like this also. You can say that ego is too much higher basically than anything. Basically, you can say whether the person knows anything or not. Basically, this text box example I have taken, that this text box example also that person also know basically that text box is created from thousand cities. So basically, if you ask this question to that software companies who actually banned that person, then basically nobody can able to give the answer. But they can ban the person, but the things which that person knows, that software companies don't know who has actually banned the person basically. So basically, this is also about the ban of the software company done of that ban done by the software companies. And basically in next video, basically we are going to see how basically that person is not getting due to this ban, not getting the job due to this ban done by the set of groups. Thank you.